Okay, good morning everyone. So, stop muna tayo dun sa mga usual videos ko na educational, like related to the subjects that I'm teaching sa school. So, gawin natin mas lighter. I'm gonna do my unboxing videos from now on. Kasi medyo isa ako doon sa mga, sana all, mahilig hanap ng great finds sa Lazada or sa Shopee. Actually, nabuksan ko na to yesterday. I mean the Shopee package. This was my Boodle find for 11.11. So nakuha ko to like 270 plus shipping na. Yun lahat. So since syempre, everybody knows or most of you know that I'm an online teacher. So importante yung lagi akong merong internet access. So yung unang Boodle find ko before pero hindi ako nakapag-unbox was yung cable that can be connected to a power bank to my modem or my router. Problema, ang mga power banks ko are lang sila, mga 10,000 mAh lang. So sabi ko, I'll try to get a better one. So I was actually eyeing on this for a long time. Inaantay ko talaga magbaba yung presyo, but this was the lowest I got it. I got it at 236 pesos. Umabot lang 270 kasi sa shipping. So meron ako mga voucher. But of course, I'll share you the way bill or the transaction later, probably when I edit the video. So let's open it. It's actually a Rapoo S2002 101 power bank. Okay, buksan natin siya. So ito, hindi pa ako masyadong marunong mag-unbox. But naku, nawala yung ilaw ko. Okay lang yan. But it was actually a friend who suggested that I do it. Probably because my laptop is going, oops, may cutter ako dito. Ayan. A friend suggested na dahil mahilig ako mag-Shopee, mag-Lazada. Ayan, buksan natin siya. This is how you open them. Well, of course, if it's not on a video, I would open it at hazard. Ito yung package niya. Better pala siya walang light. This is how I got the package. Of course, it was bubble wrapped. Kudos to the seller. Pero medyo nakapampo. Pero siya ng konti. Ito. Let's see what's inside. I guess this will be a basic power bank, but it's supposed to be 20,000 mAh. There. Kasi sabi sa akin, if I'm using those cables connecting to the routers for, let's say, Converge, PLDT, or Globe, it should be at least 20,000. So for uninterrupted internet supply. So, tingnan natin. Diba ang galing nila magbukas? Nako, bago lang kasi. I usually just got this. Oops. I'm also one of those who keeps boxes. Ayan, nakasala natin siya. So it's well sealed. So here you go. Okay, basic lang talaga. So what it has is this power bank. And I chose the color white. I hope they sent me the right color. And then this has a cable. It's a micro USB cable. Good for your Android devices or other power banks or other, like your ring light. Like my ring light now, it went off. So ito siya. Wow, maganda naman. So ito siya. There you go. Does it have yeah, it's like charged to like 75%. It has 4 lights. There you go. What is it for? Probably stock charge niya. Meron siyang 20,000. Label dito 20,000 milliampere. Medyo heavy. Siguro may timbang, pero okay lang. Let's try it. It's working. But I don't have an Android device here. So probably I'll try it and then I'll give you a feedback, probably add or edit this video. But this is my new Shopee find or my latest Boodle, my 11.11 Boodle. It's a Rapoo 2002, S2002 101. I'll post the link of the Shopee store. I'm not related or anything advertising the Shopee store. It's just that I bought it like at 276 all in. Kasama na shipping. So, murang-mura na to. Rapoo is a trusted brand. Most of my devices are Rapoo. The webcam I'm using now is Rapoo. Rapoo, baka naman. I'm also using another power bank in 10,000 mAh. PH ko is also Rapoo. And I've been using that for like a couple of years. Okay pa din siya. I just really needed a better or a bigger capacity power bank. Okay, ayan po siya. Sana okay lang. Yung makikita nyo pa rin siya. So, yan. One of my beautiful finds, and hopefully this helps you decide if you're getting this um, power bank in the future. Because it's actually cheap and it's legit. Honestly, legit po siya. Legit, yeah. So ayan, advance Merry Christmas. So please like and subscribe the channel. The channel's channel V. So bakasyon kasi. So ayan, medyo gawa mo na tayo mga lighter videos. Hope you keep on supporting, keep on liking, and you keep on sharing the channel. Thank you so much and advance Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.